Hello guys, this is John here and I'm super duper excited to welcome you back to my YouTube channel where I teach you how to turn your smartphone into a media tool capable of making you multiple figures online. In this particular video, I'm going to be guiding you on how to download, install and create a free account on the Canva mobile app, right? So if you're wondering what Canva is all about, Canva is a cloud-based software that helps you create amazing designs on your smartphone or even with your laptop, right? So this video is dedicated to smartphone users who want to use Canva to make stunning designs. So the first way you can register on Canva is by going through the mobile application, right? And it's simple. You just go to Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, you can go to your Apple Store and download the Canva application. This is the app. This is what it looks like. All right, so click on install and give it a few moments to download. When it opens, we're going to register for free and we'll have access to use as many things as possible on the platform. Okay, so it's downloading and voila, it's done. Click on open. You'll see this interface, Canva. All right, a lot of people mistaking Canva for canvas. All right, so it's not canvas, it's Canva. Accept all cookies, and you have the option to either register with Google, or you register with Facebook, or you can also choose to register continue another way. For me, I'm going to choose continue another way because I want to use my email address to register. I always recommend that people or my students register with their email address. Okay, so click on with email, enter the email address you want to register with and click on continue. If you're just starting out, you probably are going to be asked to provide a few details. You go ahead and provide it. Okay, go ahead and provide it. And so once I'm done logging in, it's going to take me to my home page. Now this is the home page you have for Canva. This is what the home page looks like, right? So this is how, as soon as you just go through this process, you have registered Canva through the mobile application. But that is not all. Let me show you the second method you can use to register Canva on your smartphone. All right, and it's as simple as opening your favorite browser. For me, it's what is the Google Chrome. Google Chrome is my favorite browser, so I'm going to use it to register on Canva. You just come here and search for canva.com. Okay, search for canva.com. You would see option as this. So if you are asked this question, stay on web or open app, click on stay on web. So you can access Canva first from the application and second through your web browser, and they are all the same. You can link them up and have the same account on the two of them. Just click on sign up for free, select with email address. I'm going to enter my email address and continue. They're going to ask for my password. I'm going to add my password and voila, I have the same account on my app, on my browser, as the same one on my app. Can you see that? Look at this first recent design here. Look at this second one. Let's go to the browser. So you see them here. All right, so that's as simple as it is how to download, install and register a free account on Canva. In the subsequent videos that will be coming, I'm going to be guiding you on how to explore the Canva application, how to know every single thing that you need to know about the Canva application, basically how to maximize the entire application. All right, so that is it about this video and I'll see you in the next one.